In this video, we can talk about top 5 Notion AI alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Code channel. If you have landed on our channel looking for the best alternatives to Notion AI, then you have come to the right place. Today, we'll unveil the top 5 of Notion AI alternatives including Writersonic, Jasper, WordAi, Frase Io, and PepperType Ai that will revolutionize the way you work and boost your productivity to new heights. The first alternative we have is Writersonic. Writersonic is an AI-powered writing tool that helps you generate high-quality content in a matter of minutes. It offers features like Story Generator, Article Summarizer, Product Description, and Google Ads Title. Whether you need blog articles, Facebook ads, Google ads, or content for your Shopify store, Writersonic has got you covered. Its standout feature is its ability to generate high-quality, optimized content effortlessly, style and word count. Next up, we have Jasper Ai. Jasper is designed to assist and serve you in your copywriting endeavors as your creative writing companion. It offers features like Chrome extension, SEO's optimized content, brand voice and memory, and real-time updates. Whether you need assistance with blog posts, social media content, or even writing code snippets, Jasper has got you covered. One of the standout features of Jasper is its 50 templates that can work amazingly well to improve your writing skills. Moving on, we have WordAi. Word is an excellent rewriting platform that offers a wide range of features for creating and editing documents. It offers features like bulk rewrite, code view, HTML compatibility, and API access. It provides advanced formatting options and collaboration tools, making it a reliable alternative to Notion AI. One of the standout features of WordAi is its extensive library of templates, helping you create professional-looking documents effortlessly. The fourth alternative on our list is Frase Io. Frase Io is an AI-powered content optimization tool that helps you create SEO-friendly content. It offers features like content analytics, outline builder, and content editor. If your goal is to enhance your content's visibility, Frase Io can be your go-to platform to meet every requirement. Its standout feature is the ability to analyze your existing content and provide recommendations for improving its search engine rankings. Last but not least, we have PepperType Ai. PepperType Ai is an AI-powered copywriting tool that assists you in creating compelling and persuasive copy for your marketing campaigns. It offers features like email copy generation, seamless writing experience, intelligent text editor, and keyword tracking. With its AI-powered copy generation capabilities, PepperType Ai assists in creating compelling marketing copy. One of the standout features of PepperType Ai is its ability to generate personalized and highly converting copy based on your target audience and goals. When compared to Notion AI, Writersonic comes with top-notch AI capabilities to help create engaging content with minimal effort, making it a valuable tool for content creators and marketers. Jasper goes beyond just organization and offers a wide array of AI-assisted tasks and productivity features. Then comes WordAi, with advanced formatting options, collaboration features, and an extensive library of templates, a reliable word processing solution. Frase.io, on the other hand, specializes in content optimization and SEO to enhance your content's visibility. Lastly, by personalizing and tailoring the generated copy to your target audience, PepperType Ai helps you capture attention and drive conversions. Out of all these amazing alternatives, we would recommend PepperType Ai as the most relevant alternative besides Notion AI. PepperType Ai's ability to create highly converting copy tailored to your target audience sets it apart. If your focus is on crafting captivating marketing campaigns, PepperType Ai is the perfect choice to elevate your copywriting game. We hope this elaborative comparison has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of the alternatives to Notion AI. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.